is it. This is start of the new year, new toys. 115 quid's worth of boxes. 40, 40 and 35. Let's have a look. In this one, we have standard cheapo bearing press bush puller installer kit. Nothing special. Handy for what I've got to go with it though. In this one, let's go this side. We have, again, nothing special, standard radiator pressure test kit. Nice quality though for what it is. All aluminium, marked up, numbered on the components, and with a temperature probe as well. That's quite nice in Fahrenheit and Celsius, or centigrade, whichever one you want to call it, pedantic bastards. And in this one, the pièce de résistance. The cheapest by far hydraulic bearing puller kit I could find. With the 5% discount I got for buying all of these three together, that one's worth about 38 quid, that one's worth about 38 quid, and that one's worth about 33. So I paid 108 quid for all of them in total. And what we're going to do in a minute is take a little look at this one.